Good morning, keep going community, and welcome to another episode of Let's Make a Sticker, the show where we have 15 minutes and 23 seconds to make a sticker completely from scratch. I'm your host, Hunter Moranville. I am so stoked to be here. You guys, before we get going, I want to give a special shout out to the subscriber community. If you're not a part of that community yet, make sure you hit that red subscribe button to join in on the awesomeness. And we will continue to bless you with our creativeness and jazzy vibes. So by the end of this video, you guys, we're gonna have a super sweet sticker and an even sweeter start to the day. Throughout the video, I'll also be sharing some random facts, jokes, and thoughts to spice things up a bit. But okay, let's go ahead and get started. Today's inspiration comes from the song Oh My My. I also went to the doctor this morning. And the theme today is self-care. So the sticker is going to say self-care is rad. I also saw some cool like graffiti on my way leaving the doctor's, so I think we might try incorporating that somehow in there, but we'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and open Photoshop here. So we got Photoshop open. Let's get our timer ready. We got 15:23 on the clock. And we'll go ahead and start that. Okay, so let's start off by putting our text, self-care, and then we'll do a spacebar is rad. And since it's so small, let's boost that up a bit. Let's get that readable. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty rad. Let's just let's make that, yeah. I think that's a pretty good size, and we're gonna change this right there. And you know what? I'm feeling that these are gonna be two separate texts. Maybe, I think self-care is gonna be like a script. Let's do that. Let's do some kind of like script. I want it to look cool. I really like Dotsy. Dotsy is just such a cool font. This one's pretty cool, Jolie's. Let's see. Oh, what was that one? Oh, I'm going too fast here. That's pretty cool, Cotton. We're gonna go with Cotton. And let's just make this bigger. Self-care is rad. Maybe something like that. We'll go with something right there. There we go. Okay, this looks pretty cool. This looks pretty rad. Maybe we'll make this bigger actually. And I think we'll go ahead and change this font as well. So we'll go to a sans serif, and let's go ahead and, yeah, we're gonna do Gotham Ultra, and we'll go ahead and position that there. Let's just give this a bit of a rotate here. Something like that. That's pretty cool. It kind of like overlaps right here, but I think that's okay. You know, we'll see what happens here. I would like, well, let's see what we can do about that. But first, before we do that, let's go ahead and share our first thought of the day. So our thought of the day is the best things in life aren't things, and that's a thought by Art Buchwald. I like that. Okay, so self-care is rad. I kind of don't like how it's coming onto the rad right there. So let's just change this font color to like red so we can see what it's doing real quick. It's kind of dipping, maybe. Well, okay, this is gonna be fine because I'm planning on adding like a gradient thing to this. So we'll go ahead and go new layer. Let's go to, oops, that's my clapperboard. Let's go to the color palettes, go to the American palette. I really like this color choice that I have here. And let's go ahead, come to this one, we'll do 3 colors. So let's double click that. We'll change this color to that like turquoise teal. We'll do yellow because I think yellow is just really cool, nice energetic color. We'll make this yellow, that yellow, and then something to go in between them. We'll do this green because green is pretty cool, and all these colors go together fairly okay. So we're gonna do that. Let's go ahead, just do a nice little thing like that. That already looks super dope. I'm pretty stoked with that, to be honest, like already. I think that's really cool. I really like this, you guys. So let's just link those. I want to give this a little bit of a rotate like that. Maybe a little less. Something like that is pretty cool. Self-care is rad. I like that a lot, you know? Can we, I'm feeling some like lines going around it or something like that. Let's change this brush to our round brush, and we'll just go make sure smoothing is all the way up. We'll go up, whoop, 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 whoop. And not really feeling that. That's okay. Let's go back and let's add some like really thin lines. Yep, something like that. That would be cool. Maybe just kind of like around rad. That sounds pretty neat. Just kind of like around here. Something like that maybe. I don't know. Maybe we'll just do something like that. It's kind of like a nice little like underlining type effect there. We'll do something like that. And then maybe we'll even do that. Like something here. We'll go like here. We'll go here, here. We'll go here. We'll go here as well. And then this one. We'll go right there. That looks pretty neat. I like that. So why don't we add something up here? Let's see, how much time do we have, you guys? We have 8 minutes. Okay. Ready for your random joke of the day? Okay. Why did the baseball coach throw Cinderella off the team? Because she ran away from the ball. Okay, that was pretty corny, you guys. All right, let's get back to the sticker here. So I like this this like line theme that we have going on. Maybe we can do something there, or maybe not. I kind of like how it's separate. And now I really just want to like add a border to this before anything else. So let's go ahead. We'll just select both of these. We're gonna make a new layer. And then we're gonna go select, modify, expand by, let's do like 60 pixels. That's pretty beefy. That's what I'm thinking. Let's go ahead and smooth this out. Like another 60 pixels. I want this nice and really smooth. So we'll do something like that. Boom. We got a white fill back there now. And that's okay, you know. I'm still working on figuring out how to do these fills here. And things don't need to be completely perfect. And it's okay if they're not. But I'm gonna try to make it better. Yeah, okay, whatever. That's fine for now. So we're gonna add drop shadows to some of this stuff. Let's add Yeah, let's add a drop shadow to self-care. Let's see how this looks. Self-care is rad. Let's maybe just drop the opacity down to like 20%. And then I want to see how this looks on rad as well. I think that looks pretty cool. Let's turn off this drop shadow. Turn it back on. I like that the rad doesn't have the drop shadow. Actually, you know what? I don't like the drop shadow. We're losing it. Let's go ahead. We're gonna copy these, and then we're gonna do a little stroke. So first of all, we're gonna turn off this stroke. Secondly, we're gonna turn on this stroke. And we're gonna make this nice and big like that. Let's go to something like 55. So say okay, and then we'll just copy this stroke effect right there onto self-care. That's not what I wanted to do though. So we're gonna do some stuff here. Let's go ahead and rasterize layer style. We'll go ahead and rasterize that as well. Self-care copy. Let's go color range, select this white. And then we're gonna make a mask because we don't want to do destructive editing, you guys. We want to make sure that we are keeping our layers intact. So let's go ahead and go color range white, and that is not what I want to do, you guys, but that's okay. So we're just gonna go, we're gonna cut out the white part right here, because I just want the blue part to go onto the black text there. And then we're gonna get rid of that. That'll be fine. Get rid of that. That's perfect. We're almost done here. And boom, 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 boom. Let's just clean that up a little bit. Cool. Perfect. And A right here as well. We'll just clean that up a bit. Let's go right there. We'll clean that up a bit. That looks sweet. I'm stoked with this. How much time do we have, you guys? We got 3 minutes, 29 seconds. Here's your random fact of the day. Right-handed people chew most of their food on the right side of their mouth, whereas left people do so on the left. It's interesting. So it seems like whatever your dominant hand is where you're gonna be throwing most of your food. So, all right, this is pretty cool, you guys. I'm pretty stoked with this. I honestly don't know much else of what we might do to this. Maybe we'll just add like a flower up here. That would be sick. Okay, so let's just go really quick. Icon, finder. Let's go ahead and find a flower. Let's go to free. That one's perfect. Thank you to roundicons.com. Okay, so we'll go here. We'll drag this in here. And we'll just go ahead and put this like up here, like that. And then let's see, our gradient went like this. So let's do that. And then we'll go ahead and just do the inside like this. And no idea how much time we have, you guys, but we're kind of rushing this. So it might not be perfect, and that's okay. Art doesn't have to be perfect, it's just an expression. So we'll do that. We'll go ahead and invert that. And then we'll take these, throw them to the back, keep going. Self-care is rad. Let's just take these. Maybe we'll go. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's just go ahead and make this like a black center to keep in line with our little theme that we got going here. And then you know what, you guys, we're gonna also do some little black lines in here since we can, like that, right there. I don't like that one. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, something maybe right there, little one right there. Don't like that. I don't know. I don't love it. I don't love those. Oh, that's it, you guys. That is our timer. Okay, cool. So, you know the rules. Once the timer hits, I can't do anything else. We're just here with what we got. And this is what we have. And you guys, I think this is pretty rad. This might be one of the best stickers that we've done so far. I'm super stoked with it. I hope you guys are stoked with it. I hope you guys enjoyed that creative process going through making this sticker. We'll end it with the random journal entry idea, something to get you thinking about. What's one mistake you wish you could go back and change? And that's a really interesting thought to have. Maybe I would have left earlier for my doctor's appointment because I was rushing it. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a great day today. Remember, stay creative, stay awesome, keep doing, keep trying, and keep going. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.